Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. If you like books, make sure you subscribe and follow me on my social media. If you're wondering what happened to our other background, which a lot of people thought was really cool, my house is getting repainted and that's why I am on this sofa, because that wall is not existent anymore. Anyway, this is the starting of the new month. That means the previous month has ended and I need to tell you guys about the books that I managed to read in the last month. I am very excited about it because a lot of those books were like, I really liked them, or at least I liked the experience of them. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first two books that I read last month were sent to me for review. The number one book was Once Upon a Genie by Durya Kapati. Now this is by an Indian author and I wasn't much impressed about this book. This book has a genie in it and you might have expected that there would be a lot of fantasy elements in this book, but they were not that good. This is typically a romance book, very predictable, and there's nothing really cool about this book, so I didn't like it much. I gave it like 3 out of 5 stars. Also this copy, like this publisher, I'm still not judging, but this is like first book I read by this publisher and it has so many editing mistakes. I could not believe that this has been published by a publisher and not self-published. Yeah, so I totally didn't like this book at all and would not recommend it to anybody. I do have the full review of this book up already on my channel, so do check it out if you want to know what all are the elements that made me say all of that. Second book that I finished reading was Vertical Living by Vidyangi. Now I have a lot to say about this book and I'm yet to film the review of this book, but I absolutely loved it. It's a self-help book and this author has come up with this concept called vertical living, which is like maximizing the human potential and maximizing your life in a way that you actually live your life, and how you can be more creative or how you can get things done and all that stuff. And I really love this book. Actually, this is like the book which I started in the beginning of the month and I am still like in the process of reading it. I finished it once, but this is not the kind of book you are like, I finished it, now I don't want to read it again. I have everything underlined and I have to go through this entire book once again. I feel like this is that sort of book that you want to keep on your bookshelf and read it like from time to time, so that you can take in all these good things which have been said in this book and incorporate them into your life and live a happier life and a better life. So I really love this book. I gave this 4 out of 5 stars. And also, this is my cue to tell you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you get the notification. Turn your notifications on, okay? There's a bell button when you are subscribed, so turn it on so that you can get the notification when the review for this book would be live. Number 3 book that I finished reading was The Woman in Cabin 10 by Ruth Ware. Now I have reviewed this book already. I review most of the books that I read, so do check out the review playlist. I'll link it above. And I have mixed feeling towards this book. It is not that great. Yeah, the crime, mystery, thriller portion was like okay, but there are better books in this world to read, and I feel like this is not the one which you have to read. If you want to read, you can go ahead with it, you will like it, but it's not that book that is a must read according to me. So I gave it like 3.5 out of 5 stars, I guess. Do check out my review to know more about it. It's a spoiler free review, by the way, if you wanted to know. So the fourth book that I finished reading in May was like my absolute favorite because I loved it so much, and that is Percy Jackson and the Battle of Labyrinth. Now this is that sort of book which once you finish reading it, you're like, I need to talk about this book to somebody. So what I did was I went online and started watching these book talks of all the good booktubers for this book, and I really love it. I love Christine's book talk, and this is a great book. This is the 4th book in the Percy Jackson and the Olympian series, and now I am in love with this author and this whole series, and it's really good, so you should read it. Obviously, it's a middle grade book, but I do not feel like there should be any age to read such a good book. It's like a mythological fiction come fantasy book, and I gave it 4 out of 5 stars. The second last book that I finished reading last month was The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. Now this is again a crime thriller, and this was our book of the month for our book club. The discussion of the book club has already happened, and it was a really good discussion, guys. All of you who were there, I really love you all, because this time it was like, yes, this is how I want to have discussions, because it was really good. And even this book was really good. I really loved it. Like all these characters which we talked about in this book are not likable characters, and there are so many takeaways from this book that you have to absolutely read it. I know there's a movie. I have heard from a lot of people that movie is not as good as the book. I haven't watched the movie yet, but this is really good. This is really good, so you should read it. And the last book that I finished reading last month was Baaz by Anuja Chauhan. Now, I absolutely adored this book. Entire time I was reading this book, I was just telling myself, you know what? This is how Indian writers should write books. This is how, this is what Anuja Chauhan is. This is what I love about her. This is what I have to talk about on my channel. This is what, I want to show you guys. And I was really happy with this book. I would give it 4.5 out of 5 stars, and it's awesome. It's awesome. You should read it, and my review for this book is coming up soon. Do watch my review, and I'm so sure after watching that you will pick up this book if you haven't already. Now is the time for me to just pick up all these books, show to you guys, and end this thing, but I'm not going to do that, because as I was consuming all the Christine D'Souza videos, by the way, she has a channel, Pole and Bananas Books. She's one of my favorite booktubers, like my top most favorite booktubers. I thought she also talks about the TV shows and everything. I thought, why not I also do it? So all credits to her. Go and check out her channel if you haven't subscribed to her already, which is impossible, but still, if it has happened. So what are the TV shows and movies that I watched last month? Only two, because I'm not much into them, but the TV show that I watched was Girl Boss. Now it's available on Netflix and it's awesome. Like, even I want to start a business, and it really resonated with what I did, like what I want to do. And I really liked how this show was all small, and I just watched it in one day. And I would say that it is not like the amazing shows which we all watch, but it is really good, and it will resonate with, it will be much liked by all the women who are thinking of starting a business or something, because it gives you just a good feeling, good vibe, which you will like. So my ratings for that show are 4.5 out of 5 stars. I really loved it because I was able to connect with it. So I'm not sure if you will be able to connect with it, but I told you who are the people who might like this show, so go check it out. And the movie that I watched last month was John Wick 2. Now John Wick 1 was one which I watched like 2-3 months ago only, and I really loved that movie. First of all, that guy kills so many people for a dog. It was so awesome. It was so awesome. I love John Wick. And the second movie came out. I really love everything about it, like the action. It is all action, less dialogues, lots of action. But in the first movie, you could really feel bad and sad about this guy who lost his wife, and then somebody killed his dog for stealing his car. And I really loved him, how he killed everybody. But in this movie, John Wick 2, he was just killing people, and the emotion part was very less. So my ratings for this movie are like 3.5 out of 5 stars. I really loved it, but okay-ish movie. Yes guys, this is it. These are the books which I read last month, and I also told you about the TV shows and movies that I watched last month. And do let me know if you would like me to include this segment regularly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. And also make sure, if you really want to support me, go and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to tag me in those shares so that I can retweet or reshare, etc. Thank you so much for watching. This is Manvi signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.